In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add or remove extra member on Netflix. So step one, you just have to launch your Netflix application, and then you just have to tap your profile and then go to account. Okay. And then here, if you scroll down, you will see under security and privacy, you see this extra members. Step two, tap this buy an extra member slot. Step three, you have to click next. And as you can see here, it's not for free, okay? So invite an extra member to enjoy all Netflix, and you have to pay for this amount here. Step four, you have to kindly provide the name, the email address, and your name in order for you to proceed. So you must be careful and you have to make sure that the information here are all correct. Okay, and then tap next. Now, step five, what you're going to do is to simply confirm your new payment. So you have to review first. And then once you're okay with this, you have to tap this start extra member. And then step six, you will see this notification that says extra member added. So you just have to tap next. Now the question is, how are you going to remove this one? So obviously, if this member received your invitation but prefer not to accept, what you're going to do is to simply click this cancel slot. As easy as that. So in that way, you have canceled him, her to your list of members, but you have to take note that even if you cancel that person, still you have to pay for that. So always be sure when it comes to adding extra members on your Netflix. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.